They like a tree, cry like a bug. Pick up the crowd and put your hands in the mud. Climb a mountain, hike in the woods. Get scientific, it's all good. Wild day in Jersey, the forest through the trees. I love the wild and the wild in me. Wild day, wild day, wild day, wild day. Learn about birds and the dragonfly. Reach like a tree, way up to the sky. Steady trends, salamander too. Now the earth's good, and it's good for you. Wild there in Jersey, the forest through the trees. I love the wild and the wild in me. Wild there, wild there, wild there, wild there. They like a tree, crawl like a bug. Pick up the prod and put your hands in the mud. Climb a mountain, hike in the woods. Get scientific, it's all good. I'm in nature, see the forest through the trees. I love the wild and the wild in me. Wild bear, wild bear, wild bear. Wild bear, wild bear, wild bear, wild bear, wild bear. Well, I would like to thank all you guys for being here today. It's really cool that you're in this great program because you're really lucky to do this. I'd like to thank Kat for coming up and helping out.
Woohoo!
Snapdragon, and Green Darter, and all the other wild bear people. Karen, I'd like to thank Karen. Her wild name is Otter. All right.
And that's Bear. Thank you, Bear.
Wild bear nature, so it goes through the trees. I love the wild and the wild in me. Wild bear, wild bear, wild bear, wild bear. Wild bear, wild bear, wild bear, wild bear. Wild bear sound.